The Dow formed a doji today in the overbought condition, but the signal needs to be confirmed if there's a reversal. Now, just as a safety factor, we would probably not want to see trading back below today's low, which, if it did, probably implies they're going to come back and test the T-line. So there might be some profit taking. However, the strongest indicator right now is our trend staying above the T-line, that we're in an uptrend until we see a candlestick sell signal and a close back below that T-line. Additionally, the NASDAQ, which has been in a steady uptrend, also hasn't shown anything that would indicate there's any severe selling coming about. Although the trading day was indecisive, there's been many trading days that were indecisive during this uptrend. So until we see a dramatic sell signal, got to remember, the longer a trend stays in existence, the more compelling the sell signal needs to be to show there's been a change of investor sentiment. When the market doesn't show any change or any fear of big selling coming into it, price patterns such as J-hooks will continue in progress, making some trades very profitable. DDD, for example, coming out of this slow rounding bottom and breaking out, is still in an uptrend as long as they don't close it back below the T-line. NetEase is also an example of a scoop, slow rounding bottom, breakout, slingshot effect to the upside. Had one day where it started closed below the T-line, but it had already taken its profits and started back up. Buying new positions off the 10-minute chart is just as effective as holding a long position on the daily chart. So even if it was stopped out at this level, candlestick analysis makes it very easy to get back into a position after one's been stopped out, which is a very hard emotional / ego problem that most investors have. Going back to our very basic premise, an uptrend is in progress as long as it continues to close above the T-line. And as we saw on a sell-off day, which were record earnings, they closed it back up above the T-line on Friday, and today there's lots of enthusiasm in the uptrend. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.